San Angelo, our catalog number 39, is a 5-year-old bay gelding by Sandro hit, Florestan 1, Don Davidoff and Sandro. The son of Sandro hit enters the auction floor in Münster-Handorf already very well trained. A good basic quality and a great interior make San Angelo a highly interesting dressage horse. His grandmother gave birth to the Grand Prix successful Sir Davidoff by Sir Donnerhall 1. The third generation brought the sire Song Song Blue by Sandro hit and the Grand Prix horse Di Sandro OLD by De Niro of Diana Porsche.